on the very first day. Let's open it. Wow. Here comes the beauty. Open ചെയ്യാം. So this is my new iPhone 12 Pacific blue color. Okay, so let's open it. So I'm getting it on the very first day, the first appointment to Apple Store to collect it. Yay, got it. Can I take it? Okay. Wow. Let's unveil it. Awesome. Oh my god. So iPhone came back to that old classic shape. Super. Yeah, let's switch it on. Pacific blue. So nice. It's so like so much grip. You don't need a cover for this. It will not slip off easily. It's so comfortable. I'm loving it. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what all it has. This is coming with the charging cable, the manual. That's it. See, there is no charging adapter. You need to use your existing ones. That's what Apple says. Okay, that's all.